Good morning, Rachel here. I want to first say thank you so much for jumping onto our thread so quickly. It's been a pleasure reading your responses. I wanted to offer some setting changes that I found that might make it easier for you to generate discussion through primary, secondary, tertiary responses, and also for you to monitor the discussion when you're a facilitator. So, the default for our discussion board is reading pane. So if you click on a thread, it gives everything in a linear list for the most part. It also, by default, attaches what you're posting to your post. It makes it a little difficult for me to read it. I don't know about you, but it is a little difficult for me to read it that way. So I just wanted to share another way. If you click on settings, you can change to grid view, take off include original post, click save. Now, if you click on a thread, you have a hierarchy. That hierarchy shows the original thread, responses to that thread, responses to those responses, and on down. So it makes it a little easier to follow the discussion. So for example, here's the original post, choose and evaluate a literacy walkthrough instrument. These are the primary responses. So then I can click Caitlin's response, and here it is in the second window. I can read it. Then I can look at what Claire posted in response to Caitlin. And I can either respond to Caitlin or I can respond to Claire to drive the discussion. So I responded first to Caitlin. So here it says, good morning, Caitlin, in my response. Then I responded to Claire. So I just wanted to share that. It's making it a little bit easier for me. And I think if we change these settings, it might generate more of a discussion flow as we facilitate for each other. So thanks for listening and watching. And yet again, I look forward to facilitating the rest of our discussion and participating in your facilitations. Have a great day.